Do you ever experience that you need to copy and paste with a lot of details in order to generate a lot of letters? Yes, this video is going to share with you how you're able to get this thing done super easy, like what you are seeing on the screen. This is a letter for the PKPB interstate travel where it has a sequential number, it has a name, and it has some other details where it differs from one staff to another staff. Let's see how it works. What you're looking at now is a list of the staff details where I'm going to generate the letter to them in order for them to have an interstate travel or some other relevant details. So what you can see has a staff number, staff name, and the relevant details where their current address, residential address, and where they are coming from, and where they are going to, and so on. So this works for many companies. Example, you have company 1, 2, and so on, has a different working place. So what I'm going to generate is the first 3 stuff. So I just select X, X, X for the first 3 stuff. Once I'm done, I just click the small button on top left corner. It says letter to staff. When I click, you will ask for confirmation and total selectors are 3. So I can press yes. It will start running the processing behind the scene. Once it's done, it will show the message done. So when I press OK, I can see there are 3 staffs added here. So let's see where are the letter. The letter is generated in a folder with a PDF file format, so that's easier for the staff to receive it via email or via WhatsApp. So let's open the first file. What you are seeing now, it has a date of the letter, the running number, the company name, the location of the company, the staff name, the staff number, IC, their position, the address, and so on. So this is how it's able to be done easily. Let's see the letter number 2. Let's open letter number 2. And in this letter number 2, you can see the running number, it becomes number 2, and the date and the relevant details, they are different from the previous one. This is how we are able to get this thing done easily by selecting the staff number. In the event, I want to rerun a certain letter, so I could do it in the letter data. So let's see. I want to rerun on the letter number 3, where I want to have a slight changes on the address. And once I'm done, I can just click, there's another button, it says rerun letters to staff. When I click, it will prompt, it will show total number of selected is only 1, where it's corresponding to the one I have selected. So I can press yes, and it will start processing. Once it's done, it will show done. I press OK. Let's go back to open letter number 3. I'm about to open letter number 3 here. Let's double click. And this letter number 3, you can notice the running number is number 3 and the changes on the address where I have just amended. So this is how you are able to generate a brand new letter or rerun the existing letter you have generated. So this can be done super easy. If you need to know more details, let me know, see how I'm able to help you.